Alright, hello there. I've been getting that there's a lot of confusion on Cookie Muncher revision 7. So today I'm going to walk you guys on basically everything there is to Cookie Muncher. So right here, we have three exe files. One named Cookie Muncher revision 7, which is the stub generator. One is named Katya crypt, which is basically a packer that makes your detection ratio less. And Roblox cookie browser. This allows you to look at cookies and use the cookies. So when I message you and I ask you for your hardware ID, you open this and you just click this box and it will say set clipboard to hardware ID. And then you give it to me and you'll easily be whitelisted. So this is the main page, nothing special, just the logo. So then, you can change the theme of this GUI basically. So say I want it blue. We can change it to blue. And let's have it white. Okay. Well, actually, for the sake of the video, let's have it dark. And I actually want magenta. There we go. So this is the options. There's a lot, I know, but as you go through these, the options will change to what you can use. This extension name box right here, this is for the Chrome extension. So don't worry about that unless you're using the Chrome extension. So in order for Cookie Muncher to work, you have to extract the exe out of the zip file. No brainer there, but some people just might not know it. So you might see what a Discord webhook is, and you might not know what that is. So if you go to Discord, this is how Cookie Muncher delivers the cookies. You create a new text channel in your server, and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name this one Cookies 2, since I already have a Cookies channel. We're going to go there. Now you see this little gear icon, we're going to click it, and then we're going to go to webhooks. And we're going to create a new webhook. You can name this whatever you want. It will automatically be defaulted by Cookie Muncher. And you're going to click this little icon here. And now we click save. Done. And it set our webhook to our clipboard. And we just paste that right in there. Now for the different features. Cookie Muncher has the ability to be in a .bat file. If you don't know what a .bat file is, it's basically like just the main language of if you ever opened your CMD prompt and you seen this is basically what a batch file is. It just opens the CMD prompt and runs stuff. So we can do like echo and it says hi. So we can do a batch file. And that doesn't open any windows, but you can do a .batch file. So we'll just build it, and it says success, and right here we have it. Now, say some of you may think, oh, they can easily view the source of the batch file. No, they can't. The source of the batch file is automatically obfuscated. So we'll test that out in a bit. Okay. Now that we have one batch, there's also a console application. Now once you do a console application, all of these are available. So hidden basically makes the console application not show up, and it just kind of stays in the background until it gets the cookie. And if you want it to, you can check loop, which after it gets the cookie, it just stays open. By default, it automatically closes unless you have this checked. Bind file. This, you can bind another exe to your application. So I'm not going to bind anything, but you know. Or you can even bind the text file or whatever. and a attempt studio cookie. This one's very interesting. So, if the user has recently logged into the Roblox Studio, this will try to get their cookie from the Roblox Studio. It doesn't have to be open. As soon as they open the exe, it tries to get their cookie from the Roblox Studio. So the console title is that title that appears right here, like this. So we're gonna name that CMR7 demo. And the text, we're just gonna leave it at console text. And then we're gonna go to build, and just build it. And it says success. So you can also do such as RC7 Intriga, your own, a Chrome extension, however you pronounce that, I don't even know, don't ask me, and all of these. And you can use bind file and attempt studio cookie. Okay, so we go here. We have our two stubs. First, I'm going to show you the Roblox attempt, whatever, the studio attempt, sorry. So if we open this, console demo, console text. And now we have a cookie from the Roblox Studio that we are able to use. We open the cookie browser and just paste it right there. This feature is still being worked on, as you can tell, but it should be up to par in a bit. Okay. So the next feature is obviously the main feature of Cookie Muncher. If they have it open, if they have a game open and they open Cookie Muncher, it'll send them, or it'll send you their cookie. Or if they open it before, whatever. Just as soon as the game client opens like this, you almost instantly will get a cookie right here about now. No? Oh, let's just reopen it. There we go. Ooh. So we see that we have, we'll just delete this message here. Username equals Noblet. That is my username, Noblet. The cookie, and a ticket. Ignore the ticket if you don't know what it is. So we copy the .roblo security, and we go in here. Oh, that's why it was not working. There we go. Sorry. You just copy everything after the equal sign, and now I'm being logged into my account. Well, how ironic is that? My account. And the studio feature works, just I haven't like used studio in a while, so that's why. It takes a while to retrieve the route for some reason. We can exit that since it's not doing anything anymore. Come on, don't know why it's taking forever. There we go. So now we can see that I am logged in to this account. And I can trade limiteds and stuff, and yeah. So now let's check out the .bat feature. So if we open our place, I'm just going to delete this message just for organization. If we open stub.bat, boom, we have our cookie, our ticket, our username, And yeah, that is basically Cookie Muncher R7 in a nutshell. So you can go purchase this for a $20 PSN gift card or a $15 via PayPal. I prefer a PSN gift card, but it's fine if you give me PayPal too. But yeah, this is basically Cookie Muncher R7 in a nutshell. Um, I will have new helpers on the Discord if you've seen my Discord before. Um, the old helpers weren't helping that much, so I'm sorry. And yeah, this is Cookie Muncher R7. You guys should go buy it today.